Called Annie, who lived next to a tomb. Her house had a big animal skin rug. One day she went to the tomb. There was a lynx holding an axe, and Annie was never seen again.
Friday, Jane and Gavin from Archaeology Scotland led a fantastic workshop for local historical societies on the Neolithic. This was the period when people first started farming in Ireland around 4000 BC. These first farmers also built large stone burial monuments, many of which survive today. After a morning of talks, we got a chance to visit two of them. First, the Druid Stone, which overlooks White Park Bay. This is a simple passage tomb dating to around 3800 BC. Originally, the large stones you see would have been covered by a cairn of smaller stones, which over time have been removed. We then visited Trebillan Courthouse at Fairhead. Courthouses started to be built around 3700 BC and are identified by their entrances which have curved facades. They are very similar to Scottish clyde cairns found on the western Scottish Isles and provide strong evidence of the connection between North Channel communities throughout prehistory. Thanks to Ballintoy Archaeological and Historical Society, Friends of Ballycastle Museum and Glens of Antrim Historical Society.